Hello everyone, this is another way to enjoy your meat. Typically this recipe is made with goat meat, but where goat meat is not available, I'm telling you, you can enjoy asun with your beef. Yes, you might be saying wow, but you need to try it. If you are craving asun and goat meat is not available, or you live in a place where goat meat is not that common, like mine, come on, join me. You are going to love this. This is so simple. It is so direct. You don't need to even have a grill before you can make this. Let me show you how I prepared this. I enjoyed it and everyone loved it. So lovely. Let us get started. I have thyme, I have curry, I have ginger, I have garlic. What I have there is seasoning. I have black pepper. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you my returning subscribers. Thank you so much to all you my followers. I love you all. Newcomers, you're welcome. I just added salt into the mixture and of course Suya Pepper. I added oil into it. Feel free to use vegetable oil, groundnut oil, olive oil, but I use vegetable oil. So I mixed everything together. Where Suya Pepper is not available, feel free to use your chili pepper. I added seasoning mixture into this. If you are using goat's meat, you don't need to add much seasoning into it for you to preserve the natural goat's flavor. So like I've said, we are using beef. That is a well-washed beef. I sprinkled some salt on it and I placed it on this aluminium paper, and I'm just going to cream it around with that mixture we prepared at the beginning. Yes, if you don't have a grill, you don't need to bother yourself. Follow this. I cream it all over, both right and left, and for it to be well super done, I covered it very well. And I'm just going to place this in a oven 180 centigrade for about 30 to 40 minutes. So after that, I brought it out. Lovelies, this is what we have. You can see everything is well covered and this cooked so well in that aroma, in the seasoning and everything we used. It's super aromatic. So it's now time to cut the beef into bite sizes. Yes, if you're using goat's meat, that's how you're still going to cut it into bite sizes. All right, so you can see how it looks. The meat is juicy. I tasted it. Tastes super delicious, honestly. But remember, we are making asun. I'm not allowed to finish all this, so I cut it into bite sizes, and after that I poured it into the pot I'll be using. After that, I'm going to add more pepper. I really want it really spicy. I'm using chili flakes that is mild. It's not that hot. This chili flakes is not hot. And I added diced onions into it. I also used green and yellow bell pepper as well. It's not a must. Feel free to use red one if you love. Okay, and I added a bit of vegetable oil into it. I added more seasoning and a bit Suya Pepper. Yes, a bit of Suya Pepper into this. Have you shared the video? If you haven't, please kindly share the video. Leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching me from. I need to appreciate you. Thank you so much. So lovelies, I'm going to add some salt and a bit from that water that came out of the meat while we put it in the oven. I added some, I covered it and allowed it to cook together for about 7 to 10 minutes. Ooh la la, this is aromatic. Lovelies. This is not an excuse if you crave asun and you're thinking without goat's meat you cannot make that. Leave that. Try this beef asun. You will come back and comment and say thank you to Delicious. This is a must try for anyone. This is super delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to leave a comment, share, like, and let me appreciate you. See you next time.